Want to switch up your eFootball name? Whatever the reason, if you're looking for a new identity on the pitch, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to change your username in eFootball on Android. It's quick, it's easy, and it'll have you looking professional in no time. Let's get into it. Launch eFootball on your device. Go to the main menu. After that, tap Extras, tap on your profile icon on the left side. Now tap on the profile picture option. After that, tap the username section next to the profile. Enter your new name. Make sure it follows the game's naming rules. Tap Change to confirm. Your username will be updated instantly. Some name changes may require in-game currency. You might have a cooldown before changing it again. Offensive or restricted names won't be accepted. And that's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to switch up your username in eFootball on Android. If this video helped you out, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more quick tips and pro guides.